Here I am your Kusar. So I have come with a fresh and new episode on the topic trigonometry identities. Okay. So already I have uploaded the videos on trigonometry portions. Clear. So as we are moving forward, so we are now doing. If you have seen my previous episode, the trigonometric identity, some sums. Total 10 number of sums we have done in my previous episode. Okay. So today we will solve some more sums on the trigonometric identities, and next we will move to the chapter height and distance. That will be the last chapter of class 10 board examination. Okay. So all the sums are very much important for the upcoming exams. Okay. So hope you will understand this properly and you will practice it at home. My objective to teach you all type of varieties of sums so that the fear from mathematics you can overcome from it. Clear? Now let us, without further delay, let us start the today's episode with the sum number 1. So what? If cos theta plus sin theta root 2, many times this sum has come in the CBSE board examination. Okay. So but it is also important for the ICSE as well as the other state board examination. So if cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then so that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay. Now how to do this sum? Clear? How to do this sum? What is given? Cos theta plus sin theta. Sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Now squaring both sides. Clear? Squaring both sides. So what? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to what? 2 cos square theta. Squaring root 2 square means 2 and cos square theta. Clear? Now this is what? Cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta plus sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Clear? Now the thing is that right hand side, what we have to prove? Sin theta. So sin theta will move to sin square theta will move to right hand side. Okay. So what? Cos square theta. Clear? Minus 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to minus sin square theta. Okay. So here it is what? Minus cos square theta. Clear? Plus cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta means minus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to minus sin square theta. Okay. Now we are changing the sign. So cos square theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin square theta. Now what? Adding sin square theta in both sides. Okay. Adding sin square theta in both the sides. So what is that? Cos square theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta plus sin square theta we are adding is equal to what? Sin square theta plus sin square theta. So here cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. That means what? Cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 2 sin square theta. That means if we square root this, so sin theta is equal to what? Root 2 sin theta. Clear? So this is proved. Okay. So very important sum. Clear? This one. Okay. So what is that? Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. We have to prove cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 into sin theta. So 4 to 5 times this sum has come in the CBSE examination, board exam. Clear? So cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Now squaring both the sides. Okay. So cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to root 2 square means 2 cos square theta. Clear? So what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. But we can also write cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. But here as per looking at the proof, we don't have to write that. Clear? Don't write this. Okay. Otherwise you cannot do the sum. So 2 cos square theta. Now cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta, this we are shifting at this side. Clear? plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to what? Minus sin square theta. We are shifting this sin square theta to right hand side. Clear? then it is what? Minus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to minus sin square theta. Now we are changing a sign. Clear? Cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin square theta. Now in both the sides we are adding sin square theta. Why? To make it 2 sin square theta and to make it cos theta minus sin theta whole square formula. Clear? So cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. So this is nothing but the a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square is equal to 2 sin square theta. So cos square theta minus sin, so cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. That we have to prove. So hope students you have understood this problem. Clear? You can pause the video and you can copy the sum, and hope you have understood this. So without further delay, next move to the sum number 2. So students, here let us move to sum number 2. If sin theta plus sin square theta is 1, these sums also have come in the CBSE board exam. Okay, prove that cos square theta plus cos square 4 theta is equal to 1. So these all sums are important for the board exams. Okay, so let us start. What is that? Sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Now this in terms of cos is given is equal to 1. Clear? Cos square theta plus cos to the 4 theta is equal to 1. So what to do? Sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Means cos square theta. So sin theta is equal to what? Cos square theta. Clear? Sin theta is equal to what? Cos square theta. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Clear? Now squaring, we have to take cos square 4, it is cos square, so we have to make the square. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. What you can write? Sin square theta is equal to cos to the power 4 theta. Clear? So cos to the power 4 theta has come. Now sin square theta is equal to what we can write? 1 minus cos square theta is equal to cos to the power 4 theta. Then what we can write? Okay, cos to the power 4 theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that we have to prove. That is proved. Clear? So this is also very easy sum, but very important one for the exams. And if you don't know how to do, you may face a problem in the examination hall. Clear? So what is that? Sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So sin theta is equal to what? 1 minus sin square theta. This we are shifting to right hand side. So sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta means what? Cos square theta. Clear? Now squaring both the sides. As we have cos to the 4, that's why we have to here make the square. Okay, of both the sides. So it will be what? Sin square theta is equal to cos to the 4 theta. Now sin square theta, because it is in terms of cos, so sin we cannot have sin. We have to convert it into cos. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to cos to the 4 theta. So we are shifting this side, cos square theta, so cos to the 4 theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That we have to prove. Okay. So hope you have understood this. Okay, very simple sum, but very important one for the examination. Clear? So now students, without further delay, let us move to the sum number 3. Okay students, now this is the sum number 3 for today's episode. Clear? It is also very important. Clear? For the board examination, this has come in many board exams including CBSE. Clear? So if x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta cos theta, and x sin theta is equal to y cos theta, we have to prove x square plus y square is equal to 1. Okay. So now what we have to do? X sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta cos theta, right? So x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta, right? So how you can write x sin theta, okay, into sin square theta, that we can write. Clear? Plus y cos theta into cos square theta, that we can write. That means what? Cos cube theta into y, sin cube theta into x. Clear? Is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So now instead of y cos theta, what you can write? X sin theta, it is given. Clear? So x sin theta, clear, into sin square theta plus y cos theta means what? Y cos theta means x sin theta, it is given. Okay, so x sin theta into cos square theta, clear, is equal to sin theta into cos theta, clear. Now from this, these two are common, so x sin theta is common, so it is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1, clear. So x sin theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta will be cancelled, so x is equal to cos theta. This is equation number 1. Again what is given? X sin theta is equal to y cos theta. So what is the value of x? Cos theta. So cos theta into sin theta is equal to y cos theta. So cos theta will be cancelled. So y is equal to sin theta. Clear? So it is equation number 2. Okay. So now what? Squaring equation 1 and 2 and adding, okay. What is squaring? X square plus y square is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. So that means what? X square plus y square is equal to sin square theta plus cos square means 1. So this is proved. Clear? This is proved. Okay. So students, you have to understand how to do this sum. Otherwise, you may face a problem to solve it. Okay, directly in the examination hall. That's why again I am telling you that practice. If you practice more time, okay, as many time as possible, okay, you can easily, by looking at a sum, you will come to know how to solve this. Clear? I am giving you that guarantee. Clear? Now, so x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. Now sin cube theta, how you can write? X into sin theta into sin square theta. That means what? X sin cube theta. Y cos cube theta, how you can write? Y cos theta into cos square theta. Clear? That means y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. Okay. So now y cos theta means what is given in the question? Y cos theta means x sin theta. So we have written here, instead of y cos theta, we have written x sin theta into what? Cos square theta into sin theta cos theta. Now x sin theta common. Clear? From both the from here and here, x sin theta is common. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. That means x sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta cos theta. So sin theta will cancel. That means x is equal to cos theta. Okay. So again, what is given? X sin theta is equal to y cos theta. X sin theta is equal to y cos theta. Now what is the value of x? Cos theta. So instead of x, we are writing cos theta into sin theta is equal to y cos theta. So cos theta will be cancelled. That means y is equal to sin theta. Okay. So squaring 1 and 2 and then adding 1 and 2. What do you get? X square plus y square is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1. So x square plus y square is equal to 1 is equal to proved. Clear? So this sum is very important for the board exam. So students, hope you have understood this. Now without further delay, let us move to the sum number 4. Friends, here the sum number 4, if x is equal to r sin alpha cos beta, y is equal to r sin alpha sin beta and z is equal to r cos alpha, we have to prove x square plus y square plus z square. Clear? So see, x square plus y square plus z square, the value of x, y and z is given. Okay. So let us write left hand side. What is left hand side? X square plus y square plus z square. What is the value of x? Value of x means r sin alpha cos beta whole square plus what is the value of y? Y means r sin alpha sin beta whole square plus what is the value of z? R cos alpha that whole square. Clear? Now what is that? R square sin square alpha cos square beta plus r square sin square alpha sin square beta plus r square cos square alpha. Okay, so from these two what we can write? Take common r square sin square alpha common, so it is what? Cos square beta plus sin square beta. Okay, plus here r square cos square alpha. So sin square beta plus cos square beta means what? Or cos square beta plus sin square beta means what? 1. Okay, so r square sin square alpha plus r square cos square alpha, because this is 1. Okay, so from here what is common? R square common, so sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, or sin square alpha plus cos square alpha means what? 1. So r square, that means what? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square is equal to what? RHS, right hand side, proved. Clear? So see, this is also very important sum for the exam. Clear? And what is the sum? X is equal to r sin alpha cos beta, y is equal to r sin alpha sin beta, and z is equal to r cos alpha. We have to prove x square plus y square plus z square. Now we are writing left hand side what is given, x square plus y square plus z square. We are putting the value of x, y, z, r sin alpha cos beta whole square plus r sin alpha sin beta square plus r cos alpha whole square. So it will be r square sin square alpha cos square beta plus r square sin square alpha sin square beta plus r square cos square alpha. So from these two we are taking r square sin square alpha common. So it will be cos square beta plus sin square beta plus what is over here, what is there, r square cos square alpha, that we are writing. So it is r square sin square alpha, so sin square beta cos square beta plus sin square beta means 1. So r square sin square alpha plus r square cos square alpha. Again we are taking r square common, so sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So this is also 1, that means r square. So that is equal to the right hand side, proved. Clear? So hope you have understood this. So without further delay, let us now start sum number 5. So students, now let us move to sum number 5. So if x is equal to a sec theta cos phi and y is equal to b sec theta sin phi and z is equal to c tan theta, then we have to prove x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 into the 1 plus z square by c square. Clear? So now see how to approach the sum or how to start this sum. X by a plus y by b is there, x square by a square plus y square by b square actually. Okay, so what is x? Is equal to a sec theta into cos phi, right? So that means what? X by a is equal to what? Sec theta into cos phi. Okay, therefore x square by a square is equal to sec square theta into cos square phi. That is the question number 1. Similarly, what we have to find out now? Y by b, right? So y is equal to what? B sec theta into sin phi. Okay, that means y by b is equal to what? Sec theta into sin phi. Okay, so y square by b square squaring, so sec square theta into sin square phi. That is the question number 2. And what is z by c? So z is equal to c tan theta, so z by c is equal to what? Tan theta. Clear? So squaring z square by c square is equal to what? Tan square theta. Okay, so it is question number 3. Now see, it is what is given? X square plus a square plus y square by b square. That means adding 1 and 2. Clear? What? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to sec square theta into cos square phi plus sec square theta into sin square phi. Okay, so sec square theta is common, cos square phi plus sin square phi. So cos square phi plus sin square phi means 1. That means sec square theta means what? 1 plus tan square theta. That means what is the value of tan square theta? 1 plus z square by c square from equation 3. Clear? So 1 plus z square by c square. So that means what we can write? x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 plus z square by c square. Proved. Clear? So students, hope you have understood this. Okay. So now I am explaining it once again. So x is equal to a sec theta cos phi, x by a is equal to what? X will be a is coming here, so x by is equal to sec theta into cos phi. So squaring x square by a square is equal to sec square theta into cos square phi. Similarly, y square by b square is equal to sec square theta into sin square phi. Similar process. Clear? And z by c is equal to tan theta, so z square by c square is equal to tan square theta. Okay. Now adding 1 and 2, so 1 means x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to this plus this, this plus this. Clear? So sec square theta common, so cos square phi plus sin square phi. So cos square phi plus sin square phi means 1. So that means only sec square phi. So sec square theta. So sec square theta means what? 1 plus tan square theta, because sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So what is the value of tan square theta? From 3 we can write z square by c square. So that means what? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 plus z square by c square. Proved. Clear? So very easy sum, but you have to know how to solve this. Clear? So hope you have understood this. Now without further delay, let us move to sum number 6. So students, now here let us come to sum number 6. So if sec theta is equal to this and x is not equal to 0, that means if x is equal to 0, then what? This will be infinity. That's why x is not equal to 0. And then find sec theta plus tan theta. Okay. So sec theta plus tan theta. So what is given here? Sec theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x. So sec square theta is equal to what? X plus 1 by 4x whole square. So sec square theta means what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x whole square. Clear? Therefore tan square theta is equal to is what? X plus 1 by 4x whole square minus 1. Okay. So it is the formula x square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Okay. Minus 1. Clear? So this will be x square plus 1 by 16x square. Okay. Plus half minus 1. Clear? So x square plus 1 by 16x square, okay, plus 2, that means 1 minus 2. So it is x square plus 1 by 16x square minus half. Okay, that means what it is? Tan square theta. Now what we can write? Again, we can write tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to x square plus 1 by 4x whole square. Okay, minus 2 into a into 1 by 4x. That means what? Minus half. This will be cancelled. Then it will be what? Minus half. Okay. So that we can write. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. That means what? Tan square theta is equal to a minus b whole square. Clear? A minus b whole square. Okay. Now therefore tan theta is equal to plus minus x minus 1 by 4x. Okay. So sec theta is given and tan theta value we have got. Clear? Now what is the thing? Now when tan theta is equal to plus x minus 1 by 4x. Okay. Then is what? Sec theta plus tan theta. What is the value of sec theta? X plus 1 by 4x plus x minus 1 by 4x. That means what? 2x. Okay. When tan theta is equal to minus x minus 1 by 4x. Okay. Then what? Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to what is the value of sec theta? X plus 1 by 4x. Okay. Plus, that means what? Here it is now minus. So minus x plus 1 by 4x. So this will be cancelled. So 2 by 4x. That means 1 by 2x. So sec theta plus tan theta, the value will be 2x or 1 by 2x. Okay, so this will be your answer. Clear? So students, let me explain it once again. So now sec theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Okay, so squaring both the sides, so sec square theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x whole square. Sec square theta means what? 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x whole square. Now tan square theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x whole square minus 1. So what is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1. So x square plus 1 by 16 square plus half minus 1, that means minus half. So tan square theta is x square plus 1 by 16 square minus half. So tan square theta is equal to x square plus 1 by 4x square minus 2ab. Okay, if we calculate this, then it is coming minus half. Now it is what? Tan square theta is equal to x minus 1 by 4x whole square. So tan theta is equal to plus minus x minus 1 by 4x. Okay, square root we are doing here. Now so when tan theta is equal to plus this, so we have to take plus sign, and again we have to take minus sign. So when we are taking plus sign, then sec theta plus tan theta is coming this, and when we are taking minus sign, then sec theta plus tan theta is coming this. So the value of sec theta is, and plus tan theta will be 2x and 1 by 2x. Clear? So hope you have understood this. Now without further delay, let us move to sum number 7. So now students, let us move to sum number 7 of today's episode. This sum is also important. So all the sums today what we are doing, all the sums are important. So it is what? If tan x is equal to n tan y and sin x is equal to m sin y, then we have to prove what? Cos square x is equal to m square minus 1 by n square minus 1. Okay. Now what is given? Let us start. Tan x is equal to n tan y. That means tan x is equal to n by what? Cot y. Clear? So cot y is equal to what we can write? N by tan x. Clear? It is equation number 1. Okay, so we are finding here cot y is equal to. Similarly, sin x is equal to m sin y. So sin x is equal to m by cosec y. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin. Therefore, cosec y is equal to m by what? Sin x. It is equation number 2. Now what we can write? Cos square theta cos square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square y minus cot square y is equal to 1. Clear? So what is cos square y? M square by sin square x minus what is cot square y? N square by tan square x. Tan square x is equal to 1. So what is the tan? It is sin by cos, then sin square m square by sin square x minus tan means sin by cos, that means what? It is n square cos square x by sin square x is equal to 1. Clear? So what is that? Sin square x will be LCM. So m square minus n square cos square x is equal to what? 1. Clear? Now cross multiply. So what you can write? M square minus n square cos square x is equal to sin square x. Okay. So m square minus n square cos square x is equal to sin square x means what you can write? 1 minus cos square x. Clear? So m square minus 1 we are shifting here is equal to what is there? N square cos square x minus cos square x. Therefore m square minus 1 is equal to cos square x common n square minus 1, that means cos square x is equal to what? M square minus 1 by n square minus 1. Proved. Clear? So you have to understand how to do this sum. It is not too much hard, only a little bit tricky is there. Okay, so if you can practice, then it is very easy. Clear? Now let me explain. Tan x is equal to n tan y. So tan x is equal to what? N by cot y. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Clear? So n by cot y. So cot y is equal to n by tan x. It is equation number 1. Okay. Here sin x is equal to m sin y. So sin x is equal to m by what is the reciprocal of sin cosec? So m by cosec y. So cosec y is equal to m by sin x. Clear? So it is equation number 2. Now what we know, relation between cosec and cot, that is cosec square y minus cot square y, or cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So what is the value of cosec square? M square by sin square theta sin square x, minus what is the value of cot square y? N square by tan square x is equal to 1. So m square by sin square x minus tan means what? Sin square x by cos square x. So cos will be go as a numerator. So n square into cos square x by sin square x is equal to 1. So sin square x will be the LCM. So m square minus n square sin square x cos square x is equal to 1. Now cross multiplication, m square minus n square cos square x is equal to sin square x. So m square minus n square cos square x is equal to what is the value of sin square x? Value of sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. Clear? So m square minus 1, this we are shifting here 1. So m square minus 1 is equal to, this we are shifting at right hand side. So n square cos square x minus cos square x. So m square minus 1 is equal to cos square x will be the LCM. So n square minus 1. Therefore cos square x is equal to what? M square minus 1 by n square minus 1. Clear? So that we have to prove here. Cos square is equal to m square minus 1 by n square minus 1. Clear? So students, hope you have understood this. Now let us move to sum number 8. So now let us move to sum number 8. So it is what? If a is equal to a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to c, then we have to prove a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to plus minus root over a square plus b square minus c square. So now it is given what? So let us a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to c. It is given, right? So what? A cos theta minus b sin theta whole square plus what? A sin theta plus b cos theta whole square. Okay. Clear? Then what we can write? It is formula a square plus b square minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta plus here it is a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. So plus 2ab sin theta cos theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta will be cancelled. Now from here what we can write? If a square take common, then sin square theta plus cos square theta plus b square common, what is there? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. So therefore what we can write? A cos theta minus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square is equal to what? A square into sin square theta plus cos theta means 1. That means a square plus b square into this means 1, b square. Clear? So now a sin theta cos theta minus sin theta, a cos theta minus sin theta means c. That's why you can write c square plus what? A sin theta plus b cos theta whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square. Therefore what? A sin theta plus b cos theta whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. Therefore what you can write? Square root a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to plus minus root over a square plus b square minus c square. That is what? Proved. Clear? So students, hope you have understood this. So let me explain it once again. It is given what? A cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to c. So we have to prove this. Okay, this is equal to this. Clear? Now we are taking square of both the terms. That means a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square. So the formula of a minus b whole square I have written over here, and the formula of a plus b whole square I have written over here. So minus 2ab a sin theta cos theta and plus 2ab sin theta cos theta will be cancelled. So here a square will be common, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta, and from here b square will be common, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta. So that means what? What is given here? A sin theta cos theta minus b sin theta whole square plus this whole square is equal to what? A square into sin theta plus cos theta means 1, that means a square, plus b square into this means 1, that means b square. Clear? Now this value a cos theta minus b sin theta, it is c given, that means it is whole square, that's why c square, plus this whole square is equal to a square plus b square. So this whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. So this we have to prove here. Okay, the square root both the sides. So a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to plus minus root over a square plus b square minus c square. That we have to prove over here. Okay. So hope you have understood this. Now without further delay, let us move to sum number 9. So students, here it is, if 2 cos theta minus sin theta is equal to x, so and cos theta minus 3 sin theta is equal to y, we have to prove this. Clear? So how to do this? So we have to write here left hand side. Left hand side what is given? 2x square plus y square minus 2xy. Clear? So 2x square minus 2xy plus y square, we can write like this. So 2x common, so x minus y, clear, plus y square. Now what is the value of x and y is given? So 2 into, what is the value of x? 2 cos theta minus sin theta, clear, into x minus y. What is the value of x? 2 cos theta minus sin theta minus, what is the value of y? Cos theta plus 3 sin theta, clear, sign will be changed, plus what is the value of y? Cos theta minus 3 sin theta, that whole square. Okay. Now what is given? 2 into what? 2 cos theta minus sin theta, clear, into here 2 cos theta minus cos theta, that means cos theta, okay, and minus sin theta plus 3 sin theta, that means plus 2 sin theta, clear, plus it is what? Formula a square plus b square minus 2 into cos theta into 3 sin theta. Okay. So now it will be what? 2 into, we have to multiply. So 2 cos square theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta minus 2 sin square theta into, here it is what? Plus cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta minus 2 and 3 means 6 sin theta into cos theta. Clear? Now it is what? 2 into 2 cos square theta, okay, 4 sin theta cos theta and sin theta cos theta, that means what? Plus 3 sin theta into cos theta, okay, minus 2 square theta, clear, plus cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta minus 6 sin theta into cos theta. Now it is multiply 4 cos square theta plus 6 sin theta into cos theta minus 4 sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta minus 6 sin theta into cos theta. So this and this will be cancelled. So that means what? 5 cos square theta plus minus 4 sin square theta plus 9 5 sin square theta, that means 5 sin square theta, that means 5 will be common. So here cos square theta plus sin square theta cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1 is equal to 5 into 1 is equal to 5 is equal to RHS proved. Clear? So see, you have to keep yourself cool when you are calculating, and this sum is very easy. Clear? So what is given? If 2 cos theta minus sin theta is equal to x and cos theta minus 3 sin theta is equal to y, then we have to prove 2x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 5. So what is given? I have written over there as left hand side. So 2x square minus 2xy plus y square. So 2x common, so x minus y plus y square. So what is the value of x? I am writing. Okay, 2 cos theta minus sin theta into, clear, then x minus y. So what is the value of x? This, minus what is the value of y? This, but the sign will change as minus is there at the beginning, plus y. What is the value of y? Cos theta minus 3 sin theta whole square. Clear? Now 2 into cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus sin theta into what? This is what? Cos theta plus 2 sin theta. Okay, plus here we are a must be whole square, so a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now we are multiplying these two, so this is coming, and we are it is cos theta plus 9 sin square theta plus 6 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so now we are multiplying it by 2, so this is coming. Okay, plus this, so this and this will be cancelled, so 4 cos square theta and plus cos square theta, that means 5 cos square theta, and it is 4 minus 4 sin square theta plus 9 sin square theta, that means plus 5 sin square theta. So 5 will be common, so cos square theta plus sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta means 5 into 1, that means 5. So here we have to prove 5 is equal to RHS or right hand side. So hope you have understood this sum. Clear? Now let us move to sum number 10. So students, here moving to the sum number 10, sec theta plus tan theta is given. So we have to show first, we will think this on later. First, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. So what is the relation between sec and tan? What is the relation? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Clear? So it is what? A square minus b square also. So sec theta plus tan theta, okay, into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So what is the value of sec theta plus tan theta? P. So p into sec theta minus tan theta, okay, is equal to 1. That means sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. It is equation number 1. Okay, and it is proved. And again it is given sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. Let equation number 2. Now we have to prove cos theta. Cos means what? Reciprocal of sec. So from equation number 1 and 2 you can get, so 1 plus 2 we get what? Sec theta minus tan theta plus sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by p plus p. Clear? So tan theta will be cancelled. So 2 sec theta is equal to p will be the LCM. So 1 plus p square. Okay, that means sec theta is equal to 1 plus p square by 2p. So what we can write? Cos theta is equal to 2p by 1 plus p square. So that also we proved. Clear? Now suppose, okay, cos theta is equal to 2p by p square. Now again what we have to now prove sin theta. So let us 1 minus 2 we get. What is 1? 1 means sec theta minus tan theta minus sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p minus p. Okay, 1 by p minus p. Clear? So sec theta will be cancelled. So minus 2 tan theta is equal to 1 by p minus p. So 2 tan theta is equal to p minus 1 by p. Okay, so p will be the LCM. So p square minus 1. Therefore tan theta is equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. Okay, So sin theta is equal to what we can write? Sin theta by cos theta into what? Cos theta, that we can write. That means what? Cos we can sin theta. So sin theta by cos theta means what? Tan theta into what? Cos theta. Okay. So what is the value of cos theta? Tan theta. Tan theta value is p square minus 1 by 2p. And what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta means 2p divided by 1 plus p square. So 2p will be cancelled, is equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. This is proved. Clear? So see, let me explain this. Okay. So sec theta plus tan theta equal to p is given. We have three proofs are there. Sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by p. Cos theta is equal to 2p by p square plus 1. And sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So how we can do? What is the relation between the sec and tan? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It is a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So from there we are getting the value of sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p already. This is the proof number 1. So let us give equation number 1. And what is given? Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. That is equation number 2. Adding this to sec theta is equal to what is coming? 2p by p square plus 1. It is coming. Clear? So sec is what? Reciprocal of cos. So cos theta will be what? 2p by 1 plus p square. It is coming. Now 1 minus 2. Why 1 minus 2? To find out the value of tan theta. Okay. So tan theta means how it is coming? 1 minus 2 means sec theta minus tan theta minus sec theta minus tan theta is equal to this. Okay. So tan theta is equal to this is coming. This is the value of tan theta. Clear? Now sin theta is equal to how we can write? Sin theta by cos theta into cos theta. So cos will be cancelled. It will be sin theta only. Clear? So sin theta by cos theta means what? Tan theta into cos theta. What is the value of tan theta? P square minus 1 by 2p into value of cos theta. That we have 2p divided by 1 plus p square. 2p will be cancelled. So p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So this is proved. Clear? So students, this is very important sum also. So hope you have understood this. Clear? Now let us move to the sum number 11. So students, let us move to sum number 11. So if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2, then we have to prove tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Okay. So what we can do? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 2 square, squaring both the sides. Clear? Now what is the formula? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 2. Clear? So this value is 1. Clear? So 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 2. Therefore 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 2 minus 1. Therefore sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Now what is given? Now what is given? Left hand side. Left hand side what? Tan theta plus cot theta. Okay, so tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta means what? Cos theta by sin theta. So sin theta cos theta will be the LCM. So it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. So 1 divided by what is the value of sin theta cos theta? Half. So 1 into 2 by 1 is equal to 2 is equal to RHS. Okay. So students, so this is also the important sum. So what is given? Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2. We have to prove tan theta plus cos theta is equal to 2. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 2 square. So what is the formula? A plus b whole square is equal plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 2. So this value is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 minus 1. That means sin theta cos theta is equal to half. Clear? Now tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. So sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta will be the LCM. So the value of this will be 1 and this into this means half. So 1 into 2 by 1 is equal to 2 is equal to RHS. Proof. So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 12. Students, now it is cosec theta plus cos theta is equal to m. We have to prove cos theta is equal to m square minus 1 by m square plus 1. Clear? So how the cosec and cot is related to each other? What we know? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to what? 1. So what is the formula? A square minus b square. So cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Okay. So what is the value of cosec theta plus cot theta? M into what? Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. That means what? Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by m. Equation number 1. Clear? Again, cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to m. That is equation number 2. So 1 plus 2, we get what? We get cosec theta minus cot theta plus cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by m plus m. Clear? So cot theta will be cancelled. So 2 cosec theta is equal to m will be the LCM 1 plus m square. That means cosec theta is equal to 1 plus m square by 2m. That means what? Sin theta, clear, is equal to 2m divided by 1 plus m square. Okay. Again, 1 minus 2, we get what is 1? Cosec theta minus cot theta minus cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to what? 1 by m minus m. Clear? Now this and this will be cancelled. So minus 2 cot theta is equal to 1 by m minus m. So minus so 2 cot theta plus is equal to m minus 1 by m. That means m will be the LCM m square minus 1. That means cot theta is equal to m square minus 1 by 2m. Okay. So now what we know? Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what we can write? Cos theta by sin theta into sin theta. So sin theta will cancel. That means cos theta. Clear? So cos theta by sin theta means what? Cot theta. So cot theta means what? That is what? Cot theta into sin theta. So cot theta means m square minus 1 by 2m into sin theta means 2m by m square plus 1. This will be cancelled. That means what is coming? M square minus 1 by m square plus 1 is equal to RHS. Proved. Okay. So students, hope you have understood this. Clear? This type of sums we have done earlier also. So very easy. So cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to m. We have to prove cos theta is equal to this. Okay. So how the cosec and cot are related? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So it is a square minus b square. That means a plus b into a minus b is equal to 1. So the cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to m is given. So cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by m. And cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to m as it was given in the sum. So now 1 plus 2 we get what? 2 cosec theta is equal to 1 by m plus 1 m. So m will be the LCM 2 cosec theta. Okay, cot theta will be cancelled. So 1 plus m square by m. So sin theta is equal to 2m by 1 plus m square. So 1 minus 2 we can get the value of cot theta. It is m square minus 1 by 2m. So cos theta is equal to what we can write? Cos theta by sin theta into sin theta. So sin theta will cancel. So cos theta is coming. So cos by sin means what? Cot into sin. Clear? So what is the value of cot theta? Cot theta value is m square minus 1 by 2m into value of sin theta 2m by m square plus 1. So that will be cancelled. So m square minus 1 by m square plus 1, that we have to prove. Clear? So students, so the trigonometric identities, these portions we completed today. So I hope these all sums which you have done will help you a lot to appear in the board exam and to clear your concept in trigonometric portions. So in my next episode on mathematics, we will start the height and distance. Okay, the angle of elevation. Okay, and okay, angle of deviation. Clear? So that we will do, and also we have to use the value of the known angles. Clear? Sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree. Okay, that known angle that we have done. So that values again we have to use to solve the height and distance sum. So from the next episode we will start that, and hope today's episode is beneficial for you. So keep watching my channel Physics Scholar, and if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe it and also share it with your friends. So thank you for watching.